All right, good afternoon, Tasty Nation. The market is closed. I'm trying something different. I want to do a real quick post after the market closed. Um, so let's take a look real quick what's going on here. This is my 15-minute chart, and here's today after the market closed. So I kind of wanted to show you um, what happened over the last couple of days here. So this is Wednesday right here. This is Tuesday, this is Monday, and this is Thursday because Friday markets were closed. So as you can see, remember Thursday gave it up. Then Monday, when the market went back open, it pretty much recovered all it lost. But the important thing I was looking for, it didn't really bust above Thursday's high, right? And then so after, here's Monday night, Tuesday morning, and here Tuesday market opened, and again it shot up, came back down, broke down below previous overnights after hours, but didn't continue. Came back up, but again didn't break above the high. See? Then of course overnight, this is last night, it broke above the high, and today, and it gave it up. So that's a good thing. Hopefully this continues downwards. As you can see, IV rank kind of came up. Now let's extrapolate this to the daily. So you may ask, why do I do this? Well, if you're only going to trade every once in a while, it's good to keep an eye on the market just so you know what's going on with it. And it's good. I mean, it takes you, look, less than 15 minutes a day just to take a quick browse. And here's extrapolates to the daily chart. 1 year daily, but I zoomed in, right? So remember how we talked about higher, I'll zoom out just a little bit. Lower highs and lower lows, kind of like the stair step down, right? So I don't like this high because it came up higher than I wanted to, but you can still, if you were to look at this, you'll be noticing a downward trend. And that's what I hope to continue here. And as you can see, IV rank is at 31.57. So nothing, it went up a little bit, but nothing too high. Okay. But interestingly, let me go back to the 15-minute chart. All right. So after hours, here we go. So we want to see, I really wanted to go below. We want to see it continue, hopefully overnight or tomorrow, downwards, because again, we want this IV rank here to pop up higher. IV right now is at 31.57. Okay, now what's interesting is, let's take a look at IWM. IWM had a good day today, as far as it shot up as high as this. See that? Shut up as high as here, but didn't finish there. But I'll zoom out again real quick, and I still like this orderly downtrend, and I'll move this over just a little bit. Okay, at least this is not red because IV rank is still at least higher than 25. But as you can see, right, stair step, stair step, stair step, and I want this to turn over tomorrow. Let's see. Well, here's after hours. So yeah, it gave up a lot of what it shot up today, and hopefully this continues tomorrow. The number I'm looking to watch for IWM anyway is 135.34. I want to see IWM tomorrow go below 135.34. Right now it's at 135.79. On SPY, okay, it's already below here. I want to make sure, I really want it to go below this bottom line right here. So 233.07, somewhere like that. Okay, but that's what I want to see tomorrow in the SPY, and hopefully that continues. But because of this volatility overall, it's creating opportunities for you to practice on even on other underlying. So let's go to Tastyworks. Okay, here's Tastyworks. Go to in Tastyworks. I'm using the online version, not the downloadable version. Go to your grid. Click on liquidity from the drop-down menu. Okay, IV rank, you want to make sure you're on descending order. And in your filters, you have a choice. You can show all or show earnings only. I have it to show all, and I want to exclude earnings. Okay, so I don't want to have any earnings in the next 0 to 60 days. And I want IV rank at least above 50. All right, and I do not want these filled in. I want liquidity to be 3 or 4. Okay, so these are the things you can look at. Doesn't mean you can trade it, because a lot of times it's just not, the opportunity is not there to do. Keep an eye on these. Okay, you can kind of take a look. I personally don't have it. I'll be upfront. I personally don't have any trades on any of these. I'm really heavy in cash right now, other than little small test stuff. But other than that, because you know, I really am playing for a bigger pop in volatility, and I just feel it coming. What do I know though? No one knows anything. If it doesn't come, then I'm making money in my smaller positions. It's just that it's not as large. So nothing much to post. My private clients, always check your hangouts. I'll send a blast out to all my private clients, other than putting on these YouTube vlog posts. But let's take a look here at God, what else happened today? Really nothing. I mean, here's the Dow Jones. Same thing happened. It gave it up. See, and here's the 15-minute chart, and I'll expand to the daily. Nice orderly downtrend. IB ranks at 39. So I feel it. Something's coming. I don't know what it is, but something's coming. So I want to try to do this tonight as more of like a market wrap kind of thing. I will try and do something in the morning if I see something come up as usual. But other than that, again, trade small, trade often, and keep an eye out for this. Okay, look. Man, I really think it'll test. So this looks really good. All right, I'm signing off for now. Really short update. I'll see. If you're new and you really want to put something on, do this. Just really small. Do 1/2 a golden gecko in maybe IWM or SP. Maybe IWM because it's cheaper. IB rank is 39. Go to your vertical tab here. Go to short put vertical. Make sure this is checked off. Do something like this. Okay. Hit the percentage. You want that to be close to 84 and 2% like this. 58 days. You got time left though. You want to be closest to 45 days. All right. This will give you at least a 91% chance of collecting 50% of your max profit of this. And with Tasty Works, this only costs you $2 to put on and nothing to come off. All right, try that. Hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you guys later.